This is my honey bear unboxing her brand new Cricut Explorer Air 2. She's very excited. She won it a month and a half ago on a random pick on one of the groups that she's involved with for Elegant Creations. They're all crafters. This machine does it all. It does t-shirt embroidery. It does cuts out intricate designs. Does vinyl insignias on t-shirts and stuff. Here we go. Da-da! Ooh, and a nice brilliant candy apple red with a white trim. Looks very good. Mind you guys, these machines are about $390 and she won it for free. Praise God. Kind of like a little carrying pouch for it. Brand spanking new, guys. Won it from a very lovely lady and her husband that do the craft, the group page. And what a blessing. There it is, guys. What a piece of machinery.
Hey, it's Shirley with the Elegant Creators. Would you like to be a part of the next giveaway? Comment below and don't forget to check the link in the description box below to apply.